three lions, namely Jack, Max, and Bugoy. So they're all male siblings and they're 8 years old, but they're turning 9 this year, so this May 1. And you might be also wondering why they're called white lions, but they're not totally white. That's because they're not albino and they have the genetic condition it's called eucism. So which means they have a partial loss of pigmentation resulting into pale or nearly white in color. And they also adapt the climate here in the Philippines. But naturally when they are cubs, they are purely white. And since they're carnivores, so we feed them with dressed chicken or beef, 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day.
Oh, a lot.
Kaon din sila tao day.
Yes.
Yeah, carnivorous.
So lions also are nocturnal, so meaning they're more active at night and sleepy during the daytime, and they can sleep 16 to 20 hours a day.
Excuse me, how do you not get them to like bite you while you're feeding them?
When we feed them, they have the area that the area where they eat. So by whistle of the keeper, they will go to the holding facility.
So they know where to